Uyabuza umfundisi. Uthi sisibenzeni.
Mayilunge wena miphume nephumile izakwenzana.
That would work.
Enkosi kakhulu kuninonke apha. Kakhulu umphathi nkqubo.
I want to thank you all, especially the program director.
I-condolences zethu ziya kwi-families ezilahlekele zaphunukana namalungu azo.
Our condolences are directly to the family who have lost all their loved ones.
We're quite appreciative of the representative of the government of Lesotho.
Si appreciate uhulumende waseLesotho.
We appreciate the presence of the representative of the government of Mozambique.
Si appreciate president wase Republic of Mozambique.
Urhulumente
Uhulumende.
We're quite appreciative of the leadership of the trade union movement.
Si appreciate leadership yama trade union movement.
Yamkhu ikokelwe nguComrade Mathunjwa. I-NUM ikokelwe nguComrade Spunzi.
The arm led by Comrade Mathunjwa.
NEWASA.
The NUN by
I-union ezikumining industry.
all the unions in the mining industry.
I-leadership yesibanye Stillwaters.
The leadership of Sibanye Stillwaters.
Usihlalo no-CEO ne-management team.
The chairperson and the CEO and the management.
Abasebenzi abakhoyo bonke apha.
All the employees who are here,
Team DMR eze apha nayo.
to the DMR that came here,
Let me first of all commit to the importance of a follow-up health and safety summit for the industry.
mandisiqale ndizibophelezele nge-commitment ye-health and safety yolandelelo.
So that we can have a debate on this matter. It's an ongoing debate. It's an old problem.
I-problem yakudala asuba ne-debate ngayo.
Mna na 70 days ndilapha edepartmentini.
I've got 70 days since I'm here in the department,
But I own i-agreement ekuvunyelweze ngayo phambi kokuba ndifike ukuthi I will implement them. I will work with everybody in the industry.
kodwa ngoba ndithembisile ukuthi nizawusebenza nawo wonke umntu.
You know, health and safety of mine workers in particular and workers in general must receive our sharpest attention.
The health and safety in the mining industry and the employees generally must receive this,
Our special attention.
our special attention.
Now, it is the primary responsibility of every employer to provide a safe working place.
Irresponsibility yethu kuqala njengomqashi ukuthi sinike abantu ukhuseleko lokuqala.
It is the responsibility of the government to enforce law.
Irresponsibility ka-government ukufakwa kwemithetho.
Yabona, in 1985 here in Driefontein,
Ngo-1985 apha eDriefontein,
workers refused to enter in a dangerous working place.
abasebenzi bayala ukungena kwindawo engakhuselekanga.
They were fired.
Baxothwa.
Workers took a decision to go on strike in solidarity with those workers who were fired.
Abasebenzi bathatha ukuthi mabaya estrikini bedibanele naba babexoshiwe.
And there was a mass dismissal apha.
Kwaxothwa abantu abaninzi khona apha.
Abantu akudala belapha bazawukhumbula uba kukwezo strikes ka-85 apho kwagxothwa abantu abafana notata uMthibeti ababelapha.
The people who have all long been here, they will testify about what has happened in 1985.
Now, I'm raising this issue because when I talk about this, people sometimes misunderstand. I'm saying workers fought for a right to refuse to enter a dangerous place. It is not a good heart of anybody. It was struggles of mine workers to say mine workers must have a right to refuse to enter a dangerous place. I want us to reinforce this right. It's a right.
Ndiphakamisa uldaba ngoba abasebenzi bala ukungena endawo engakhuselekanga. Ngakho ndithi ke abasebenzi mabangangeni kwindawo engakhuselekanga. Kulilungelo labo.
Now, to undermine safety standards because production must go cannot be allowed. It must be resisted by everybody.
Ukubekela phansi imithetho ye safety ngenxa ye production lonto leyo mayingavunyelwa.
Now, yabona mos apha sithi kusweleke abasebenzi abayi-7.
We say 7 employees have passed on.
I-reality kukuthi sine-disaster apha.
The fact remains that we have a disaster in here.
Once there are 5 workers and more who die, that is a disaster.
Once 5 people or more die in the mine, that is called a disaster.
Now, there is a Driefontein disaster, which is ending to the Valrift disaster, Sandelina disaster, Kinross disaster. You can list them.
Sine Prefontaine disaster, ebalela edibanisela nezinye disaster ezenze kwezinye mine.
This makes it urgent for all of us to get together and discuss the state of safety in the mining industry.
Lonto ikhawulezekile ukuthi sihlale phansi sixoxe indaba ye safety yapha ezimine.
Once there is a seismic event,
Xa kungaba ne seismic ukushukuma komgodi,
there is a trend that there is a follow-up, maybe a series of seismic events.
kunento enzekayo ukuthi kuzawulandela ezinye event zokushukuma komgodi.
Before we even go to the technology that Matunjo uthetha ngayo.
Phambi kokuthi siye kwi technology leyo baba uMathunjwa athetha ngayo.
Tokuqala, once we go to seismic event, we must anticipate that there is going to be a follow-up seismic event and pull out workers out of the workplace.
First thing we must know that when there's a seismic event, we must anticipate that there's going to be a follow-up. So we must pull out all the employees from that working place.
And we must work together on that issue. It must be in the rules, in the mine, that once we go to seismic, particularly in old mines like Driefontein, which are mined out and they are mining remaining pillars, seismicity is prevalent.
Kumele sisebenzisane sisonke ukufana naxa apha ezimine ezifana neDriefontein ezakudala kumele senze sure ngoba lonto leyo yenza ukuthi ngoba ezimine zimayiniwe kumele sihlale sijongile.
It looks very disruptive, but it saves lives.
Ibona iphazamisa kodwa iphilisa amaphilo abantu.
Now, yabona mos workers. I'm a mine worker myself. Mine workers, immoral yazo depend on how they feel about management. If they think that the management is caring for them, they will actually break production records unaware because the moral is
Mine workers ihamba ngemorale xa ingaba umqashi ukhathalela abasebenzi bazawuqhakeza nerecord yeproduction ngenxa yokukhathalelwa.
Abasebenzi, they want to feel part of the family, not by word, by action.
Abantu abasebenzi bafuna ukuziva bezingxenye zefamily hayi ngokuthetha kodwa ngokwenza.
Njengoba kuthiwa ndihamba nje ndiyangapha eRustenburg, siyaconsulta ngento yetshatha. One of the things esiyithethayo sithi makubekho ii-shares ze-workers, and we say ezo shares masibhatalelwe yi-employer, ayo-free carry. Is the employer buying shares for his employees?
As I'm leaving, I'm going to Rustenburg to discuss about the charter, regarding the shares, that the employer must provide shares to the employees.
And number 2, we say workers must have a seat in the board so that they have insight of the discussion and the debates of the company.
Abasebenzi kumele babe nesihlalo kuyibhodi bayazi ukuthi kuthethwa ngantoni babe nentetho phakathi kulo bhodi.
Now, ngenxa kabasebenzi abayithandi loo nto ukuthi I know asinakuba yipart management. It's your mind, you are working here, you must sit in that board, understand the details of the decisions. Then you will influence the direction of the company.
Imayini yethu kumele sihlale kwezo bhodi siyazi ukuthi kwenzekani futhi sithetha ngento esiyaziyo ukuthi siyazi udirector ukuthi inkampani iyapi.
Now, compensation is never enough.
Ukubhatalwa akho enough.
Yabona mos ka ufunda into okuthiwa yi-risk kuthiwa ayikho i-value of a life in financial terms.
Kuchiwo ukuthi ayikho ivalue engavala impilo xa sijonga izinto ixabiso lempilo lungaphezulu kakhulu.
Now, all of us have a duty to make this industry safer and better.
Sonke sinomsebenzi sokuthi siyenze le industry ikhuseleke futhi ibe ngcono.
Ngoku ndisanikwe i-responsibility yoba kule department. One of the things I've done, I've opened up to say, let's engage. You know, I'm kubisi tantete nayo. Now, iyayazi uba ndiyathetha nayo ngoku. Iyayazi lo.
The AMCO used to say, I don't talk with them, now I talk with them.
Now, yabona bahleli kunye phana NUM.
You see, they are sitting together with the NUM.
Ndithetha nabo.
I'm talking to them.
And I'm open to talk to unions. I'm talking to the employers regularly, Neil.
Ndithi ndithetha nabasebenzi ne-union andithethi nomqashi nje.
Because kasithetha, we understand one another better. Masingathethi, we depend on perceptions about one another and therefore take wrong decisions on the basis of perceptions. So the industry yethu is an industry of trust, because if you are usemgodini ubomi bakho buxhomekeke tumehlo endoda esecaleni kwakho. So uba la trust siyayibulala, i-industry is going to die.
As we speak, we discuss, we depend on one another. But if we don't, we rely on each other's perception. And that simplifies it to say that my safety depends on the next person next to me.
Uba kuthiwa by May, 31 mine workers have perished in the industry. It means you can extrapolate that number and come to a number, 80. We are going to have high number of fatalities. What is it that we should do to arrest that trend?
Xa kutshiwo ukuthi ngoMeyi sine-fatality ezi-31, loo nto yenza ukuthi sizibuze ukuthi ingaba yinamba engakanani esiyilindele.
Mine workers are not statistic. They are human beings. Ngabantu.
Abasebenzi basezimayini asiyinamba kuphela kodwa bangabantu.
Ufuneka sibanike imbeko ebafaneleyo nenhlonipho ebafaneleyo.
We have to give them respect and honor that they deserve.
Lastly, I'm committing that inquiry into this disaster will be accelerated and report will be released swiftly.
Ndiyazinikela futhi ndiyathembisa ukuthi inquiry ngale disaster kuzawuyenzwa i-report nokukhawuleza lolulandela loludaba ukuthi yonke into inikwa ngalendlela engayo.
Ukwenzela into yoba xa sithetha ngayo siyibase on the findings of that inquiry, sibonisane ukuthi where were the mistakes, what can be done better, where can we improve. We will do that together.
Ukuthetha ngayo sizawujonga ukuthi ziziphi impazamo, intoni engayenzwa ukuthi sivale ezingozi ukuze siyazi ukuya phambili ngcono.
Egameni karhulumente weRepublic of South Africa sizisa amazwi ovelwano kwintsapho ezishiywe ngabantwana bazo.
In the name of the government of South Africa, we bring condolences ways to the families who lost their family members.
Sizisa condolences to friends We say condolences to the unions, say condolences to the workforce, because when there's a disaster like this, I always tell people, there's a very important psychological impact on the workforce when there's a disaster.
Sizisa i-condolences kubahlobo kuma-union ngoba kunento eyenzekayo uma kunenhlekela enje kwiingqondo zabantu nakwimpilo zabo.
Londo icela ukuthi uba ngaba kukumsebenzi one-nightmares because ebewitnesse i-disaster, must be considerate in terms of counseling and supporting that worker.
If there's employees who has nightmares because of the disaster, we must be considerate and assist that particular employee.
If that worker can't cope, we must help that worker to cope.
If lo msebenzi akakhoni ukucopa, kumele simncede ayazi ukucopa.
That is the impact of a disaster in the mind of a person.
Iyo impact ye disaster engqondweni yomuntu leyo.
Mining is a good industry, but it is as good as all of us together in the industry itself.
Mining industry enhle kodwa ibantle xa ifana xa sisonke apha.
But it is also difficult, it is dangerous, it is dirty, and it is diseased.
Futhi i-disaster i-dangerous imdaka ayilunganga.
Ifuna ke in everything we do, appreciate the nature of the industry itself, that is not like mixing syrup and water and produce cool drink. It is dangerous, it is diseased.
Ifuna kuyo yonke into esiyenzayo ayifane xa ufaka isirap nedrink ibe mnandi i-dangerous futhi ingcolile.
And Lord, ifuna ke sihloniphane all the time. Akukho muntu wokudlala oze emgodini, because xa uye emgodini you are like a person who is in the war front.
In that manner, it needs us to respect one another, because it is the same that as a person is going to a warfare, he's in the war front.
Ndiyabulela kakhulu.
Thank you very much.
Siyabulela Tati Mantashe
Ra leboha Ntate Mantashe.
ngamazwi akho